The business sector will develop and change whether we research it or not, but if we want to educate effective and responsible managers, it's important that we as researchers continue to follow and try and understand the mechanisms that are at play as business and society advances and develops.
So research is important at its best because it helps understand critical business phenomena and decisions that companies make. Ideally then that information can be helpful to managers to understand the impact of decisions they make and possibly even to make better decisions in the future.
It's very relevant to attract the best researchers because researchers only want to be working to develop their professional careers in academic organizations that really believe in research. The best researchers attract the best students, attract the best talented people and provide the best resources for the organization.
Most of the research in business takes place through use of big data, which businesses themselves use today. But there are also other types of research that people do. For example, there's the people who do theory work that focus on sort of modeling, mathematical modeling of phenomena to understand the key determinants. There are people that do experimental work which focus on designing experiments in a lab setting. And there's also field experiment or field research where researchers work inside companies to get a better understanding of how companies make decisions.
The big changes, and there are quite a few of them, are being driven mainly from the natural sciences. So among these trends, and the most important I would say, is the shift towards open access publishing. So making the results of research available to readers without restriction, either immediately or within 6 or 12 months of publication.
Being Esade, a business school and a law school, the most amazing thing is that research happens from the lab and goes into the classroom, and from the classroom goes back to the lab. So that means that we are able to share with our participants new knowledge that is being developed inside Esade, not just replicating what has been already said by other researchers.
So as a researcher, what you're trying to do is understand what's going on and understand the underlying properties of this and transfer that knowledge to other people who will be making decisions in similar conditions. When you're able to bring this knowledge of what is the current cutting edge of your field, where it's problems, where it's debates, where it's holes, where is it fuzzy, into the classroom, that should in fact make you a better educator.